This footage was just submitted to us through our Facebook page. This triangular formation was filmed over Phoenix, Arizona on November 17, 2022. Here's a witness report. We were headed north on 99th Avenue toward Indian School. The lights continued south toward the Estrella Mountains. Video cuts out before an F-35 enters frame and the light formation breaks. I'm a former aircraft mechanic and I honestly don't understand what the hell we were seeing. Now let's watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest UFO sightings.
Right? The lines in between it?
Oh, no, not really.
That is fucking crazy.
Oh, I fucking hate these trees.
Not the B2. Lines, right? The lines in between it?
Oh, no, not really.
That is fucking crazy.
Oh, I fucking hate these trees.
Not the B2.